Hey guys, welcome back Team Creative Design. Today we will be doing my staircase and I'm going to add garland coming down the staircase mantle. I did have to find something that is very strong to hold the garland because as you start to add ornaments and all of your fillers, it becomes very weighted. So I'm going to actually show you guys. You'll see me holding them in my hand. Walmart actually carries some garland ties. They come 10 to a pack. They were very inexpensive. They're like $3 a pack compared to Amazon. I think I saw them for $10 a pack. But they actually do very well and they blend well with your garland. So I think those are an absolute necessity in my opinion if you're gonna hang garland down your stairwell or anywhere else that you might want to secure it even outside. So guys, moving forward, that's the actual garland tie in my hand there. We came down the stairwell and secured everything really well before we got ready to start adding any type of pics. You can see that I have a family member helping me just to do the garland here. And those garland actually came, there are two different types of pines in that. I think there's a spruce and something else, but it looks very realistic. And I purchased those from Walmart. It was a steal. They were only $14.88 for a 9-foot garland compared to the ones that I think I used on my mantle. Came from Hobby Lobby and they were only 6 foot and they ran like $70 each. So if you're looking for nice garland, please check out Walmart because they have some awesome options. So guys, as we move forward and we're securing here, I'm going to just talk about the way we actually decided to do this. We used some very big pieces on this stairwell. For some of those, we use twisty ties that have a lock and secure just because we wanted to make sure that it was safe. Again, you guys know I have kids in the home. I have teenagers that come from upstairs and I wanted to make sure that no one got hurt and nothing fell over the stairwell. So I made sure to use those to secure my bigger pieces. The other pieces, I use wiring. Just regular wiring from the dollar store. Some of them I added 2 or 3 ornaments together to make it full. And then as I did my pics, I made sure that I alternated my pics back and forth. Some were placed upward and some were placed downward in position to just give it a various look throughout the garland. So guys, I'm going to let you all just enjoy this video. You'll see as it starts to fill in, but I think it came out absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.